Every day, more than 1 billion people are active on Facebook, spending hours and hours browsing profiles, group, and Facebook pages. And that's almost 1/3 of all the people on the internet. Having your company and your brand on Facebook is the best way to reach millions of new potential customers that will be very interested in you, your product, and your message. But that's not enough. To succeed on Facebook, you need to dominate some simple but critical tools that Facebook is already providing to you. How can you use Facebook to continually find new clients? How can you reach thousands of people every day? How do you create super optimized Facebook pages and groups for your business? And how you can monetize the groups and pages so you can offer the products and services to your community? What are the things you need to do and the things you need to avoid? Not dominating your Facebook marketing will cause you to lose money, lose potential Facebook followers, and spending time with no results. A good Facebook marketing strategy will give you outstanding results, engaging your audience, exponentially increasing the number of likes on your page, views on your videos, name and emails on your autoresponder sequences, and inspiring your followers to take action and buy your products and services. Welcome to the most complete and efficient Facebook marketing training here in Udemy. In this course, you will learn how to reach hundreds, thousands, millions of people on Facebook. We will define your target audience to ensure that your ads are shown only to people who are really interested on your business and your products, avoiding spending money in ads that do not work. You will learn how to use the Facebook pixel and retargeting in your ads. Retargeting is one of the most efficient digital marketing tools used by large corporations like Netflix, Amazon, and Google. You will also learn how to create super optimized Facebook pages and groups for your business or personal use, and how to monetize them, selling your products, services, and ideas to your followers. You will dominate Facebook events, the best way to promote any event to your followers. Facebook videos, a single strategy that can increase at least 10 times the number of views on your videos. Facebook Live, the best way to engage with your followers and sell on Facebook. And Facebook for local business, the most powerful way to grow your local business using Facebook. And as a bonus, I'll share with you the single strategy that is responsible for the success of all my Facebook pages. And I also show you how to create super powerful Instagram ads. Remember that it's not enough just to watch all the lectures and all the videos. The real results comes only when you take action. That's why inside this course you will find 12 student activities. Each activity was designed in a way to help you apply all the strategies you learn on each module. So the amazing results that you want are almost guaranteed. I'm sure you will absolutely love this course. And by the end, you will have Facebook and Instagram generating sales, bringing customers and followers to your business every day. But if for any reasons you don't like the course, you can request a full refund in the first 30 days, no question asked. With all this warranty, you have nothing to lose. Enroll now and let's start using all the power of Facebook and Instagram, generating more sales, attracting more followers, and growing exponentially your online presence right now. See you inside.